Hello and welcome back to Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes. Now, cookware is so important when you're going on your travels, and we have a great set here from Brunner. It's called the Fulsion Alu Cooking Set. Now let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Okay, now we've taken it out of the box, you can have a look. It's a really lovely design, as you would expect from Brunner, and it comes with 4 different sized cooking bowls inside. There's a magnetic system on this so that the top literally has very good magnet, so it's not going to come off. You have to give it a good pull to get the lid off, and that will access the rest of the set itself. Just take the lid off. Now there's a lid inside that is pushed in by way of suction, so give it a good old pull to get it out. And this is a one lid fits 3 basically. It's got a rim on it that allows you to use this for 3 of the bowls that are inside. Just pop that there a second, and inside you've got some nice pans here that you can use for your cooking. Okay, now we've got this set out, you can see that there are 4 different sized saucepans that are in this set to really cover all of your cooking needs. Very clever handle system that you can use on all of these saucepans. Literally just pop it on the edge and you clamp it in with the handle here, and that's locked in. Very sturdy handle, and then you literally just unlock it, push the button, and off it comes again. Really clever. Now the larger pot comes with its own lid. The other 3 pots have got a lid that is one lid fits all, so you can use this lid on all 3 of these. It's got a very clever ridge design on it. It means it fits the larger, the middle-sized one, as well as the smaller pan. So that's very useful when it comes to storage. And then when you're finished, you can just pack it all back inside, pop the top on with the magnetics as well, and it's safely stowed away. So there we have the Fulsion Alu Cooking Set by Brunner. If you want to know more information, just click the link below and it will take you to more details of it on our online shop. And if you want to have a chat with one of the guys here, just give them a call and they'll be more than happy to help you.